All right. I can see a little short covering going on in the market. We're down pretty aggressive. Doesn't really make sense. I think we kind of prepared for this. I do like the scenario that this is providing some buying opportunities. So investment wise, I would look at that. Or swing wise, I would look for swing trades. I mean, it's really hard to do a technical right now. The markets are down. S&P is down about 106. So we're looking at 41, 19 or so, um, which is a good support. Let's see if it holds, and if people don't lose their shit over this. Um, I think we're in a better place than Europe. Europe's going to take a beating. It's really going to hit their economy, um, but it shouldn't really beat us up too much, although there will be a rollover effect because of a lot of our trading partners are going to be hurt. So something to consider. Definitely going to slow the Fed down. Um, I think it's going to be. I mean, we're gonna live with this. I mean, that's the bottom line. I mean, not so much the Ukrainians, but we're going to live with this. And I do think this is the demise of the Russian economy. I mean, I can't really understand that, but perhaps, yeah, that's the difference between the capitalist and the communist. They don't really care that their people suffer. So that's hard to get my head around. But I'm going to look at this. I'm going to be looking for a bottom, for a good indication on a bottom, and I'll probably be clocking a 5 and 30-minute chart to try to find that to make my best move. So don't liquidate out of fear today. Don't sell into this weakness. There's going to be a bounce. Find the bounce. Um, and that's all I could say. So, hey, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, and good luck trading today. And if you ever meditate, today's the day.